Have you ever looked up at the night sky filled with countless stars and felt a sense of wonder? It's a beautiful, crowded canvas of light and life. But what if I told you there's a place out there so vast, so empty, that our entire galaxy would be just a tiny speck lost within it? A place where the comforting twinkle of stars simply doesn't exist. This isn't science fiction. This is a real place, and it has a name. The Boötes Void. Back in 1981, astronomers were mapping out the universe, expecting to find galaxies sprinkled everywhere, like they always do. But as they pointed their telescopes towards the constellation Boötes, the herdsmen, they found something baffling. Nothing. An enormous, almost perfectly spherical region of space that was shockingly empty. They scanned and rescanned, thinking it must be an equipment error. But it wasn't. They had stumbled upon one of the most mysterious and unsettling structures in the entire cosmos. So, how big is this void? The numbers are almost impossible to comprehend. The Boötes Void is a staggering 330 million light-years in diameter. To put that into perspective, our own Milky Way galaxy, which is home to hundreds of billions of stars, is about 100,000 light-years across. This means you could line up thousands of Milky Way galaxies end to end, and you still wouldn't have crossed the Boötes Void. It's so immense that if our galaxy were placed right in the center of it, we wouldn't have even known other galaxies existed until the 1960s, because the nearest one would be too far away to see with our technology until then. Imagine you could travel there in a spaceship. You arrive at the edge and you look out. In one direction, you see the familiar tapestry of the universe, with galaxies and nebulae glowing in the distance. But when you turn around and face the void, you see absolute blackness. No stars, no planets, no familiar cosmic landmarks. Just an unending silent darkness. It's an emptiness on a scale that defies human intuition. It's often called the Great Nothing, and for good reason. Now it's not completely empty. Scientists have since found a few dozen galaxies scattered inside this colossal bubble. But that is the cosmic equivalent of finding a handful of houses in a space the size of North America. Based on our understanding of the universe, a region this large should contain tens of thousands of galaxies. So where are they? Why is this particular spot so desolate? This is the great cosmic puzzle that has fascinated and unnerved scientists for decades. One leading theory suggests that the Boötes Void is the result of smaller voids merging together over billions of years, like soap bubbles coalescing into one giant bubble. As the universe expanded, gravity pulled matter together to form superclusters of galaxies, leaving these vast empty regions behind. It's a natural consequence of cosmic evolution. But even with this explanation, the sheer scale of the Boötes Void pushes the limits of our current models. Could there be something else going on? Some have speculated about exotic physics or even unknown cosmic forces at play. What if this void isn't just empty space, but something more? What if it's a place where the rules of the universe are different? These are fascinating questions that drive astronomers to keep studying these cosmic deserts. The Boötes Void serves as a profound reminder of how much we still have to learn about our universe. It shows us that space isn't just a collection of bright, shiny objects, but also a landscape of incredible emptiness and mystery. It's a cosmic anomaly that challenges our assumptions and fuels our curiosity. So the next time you look up at the star-filled sky, remember the great nothing. Remember that out there, in the darkness between the galaxies, lies an emptiness so vast it could swallow our entire cosmic neighborhood without a trace. It's a humbling and perhaps a little terrifying thought. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the void. If you enjoyed this cosmic exploration, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of space. See you next time.